Best essential oils for sleep. If you struggle with falling asleep or staying asleep, certain essential oils can help relax the body and prepare the mind for deep rest. Lavender. Known as the ultimate relaxation oil, lavender has been scientifically proven to promote better sleep. It reduces cortisol levels, the stress hormone, slows heart rate, and encourages a deep, restful state. Simply adding a few drops to a diffuser before bed can work wonders. Chamomile. Just like a warm cup of chamomile tea can soothe the nerves, chamomile essential oil can create a sense of calm. It's particularly helpful for reducing nighttime anxiety and promoting a restful mind. Cedarwood. This warm, woody oil has sedative effects that help the body relax. Cedarwood works by stimulating the production of melatonin, the sleep hormone, making it a great natural alternative to sleep aids. Sandalwood. Sandalwood has a grounding, rich aroma that promotes relaxation and deep sleep. It's excellent for those who have trouble quieting their mind at night. Valerian. Used for centuries as a sleep aid, valerian oil has powerful sedative properties. Its earthy, musky scent may take some getting used to, but it is one of the most effective oils for promoting deep sleep. How to use sleep-enhancing essential oils. Add a few drops to a diffuser in your bedroom. Mix with a carrier oil and apply to your wrists, neck, or soles of your feet. Add a couple of drops to a warm bath before bedtime. Best essential oils for stress relief. Life can be overwhelming, but nature provides incredible remedies for stress. Certain essential oils have been shown to reduce anxiety, calm the nervous system, and help you feel more centered. Frankincense. Often referred to as the king of essential oils, frankincense has a deeply calming and grounding effect. It slows breathing and encourages feelings of peace, making it perfect for meditation or relaxation. Bergamot. A citrus oil with a unique floral touch, bergamot is known for its ability to reduce stress and improve mood. It's commonly used in aromatherapy to relieve anxiety and promote a sense of well-being. Ylang ylang. With its sweet and floral aroma, ylang ylang helps lower blood pressure and reduce feelings of tension. It's especially useful for emotional balance. Rose. The luxurious scent of rose essential oil is more than just pleasant. It has profound effects on reducing stress and uplifting the mood. Studies show that rose oil can help lower cortisol levels and ease nervous tension. Final thoughts. Bringing essential oils into your daily life. Essential oils are powerful tools that can enhance sleep, reduce stress, and increase energy. But to get the best results, consistency is key. Experiment with different oils to find what works best for you. Whether you diffuse lavender at night, roll peppermint on your wrists in the morning, or add frankincense to your meditation routine, essential oils can transform your well-being in simple yet profound ways.